Bank of America says CBDCs are the future of money and payments. Wait, says who? Bank of America. You mean the worst bank in America? They should rebrand themselves. Worst Bank of America. Ladies and gents, welcome back. Today in this episode, I won't be talking about crypto news or any other boring stuff. Let's save all the drama for another day. I bring you whatever I find, whatever I come across that's interesting, worth talking about, worth mentioning. But today in this episode, I want to talk about crypto prices and altcoins and Cosmos ecosystem, blockchain. Just give you my 2 cents on the tokens. All right. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to add any other tokens on the list, keep your emotions out, no problem. Okay. As long as the token is not a rug pull and it doesn't go against humanity. Okay. Sure. Don't mind putting on the list. It doesn't matter if it's a meme or whatever. As long as it's not a rug pull, not a scam, and not insider garbage, then it's worth talking about. Okay. So let me know and I'll probably add it. Now let's get back on business. Let's see what's happening in the crypto space. No, I'm just kidding. Let's talk about crypto altcoins. Atom. All right. So this is what I think is happening. First of all, Bitcoin sitting at $21,300. Dollarinos. That's kind of crazy. Literally have no idea. I understand the CPI and all this stuff, and people started becoming bullish all of a sudden, the beginning of the year. However, it doesn't add up. Ethereum, the Shanghai fork is coming. So I understand, and people are using Ethereum. I get it. Bitcoin on the other side, of course, a top coin. I get it. But at this moment, when the whole micro, and the uncertainty around, and I don't know what's happening, okay? So personally, and if you look at the Cosmos ecosystem, yesterday, when Bitcoin was pumping, this entire chain was also pumping, right? But today, however, if you look at most of the tokens, they're down. Besides some of them, like JKL and others, which actually dropped to a significant level, all-time low. And they're going up because people saw an opportunity to buy in and flip it or stake it or whatever. And that's what they're doing. All right. Same thing with some of the other tokens on this list. Okay. So where I'm going with this is, at this moment, the best thing to do is to book your profits. I wouldn't suggest to keep compounding any particular token. I know I talk about EVMOS because I personally am staking EVMOS, Tori, Ribas, and other stuff. And I cannot tell you that they're the best thing ever in this world, because they started in a bear market and they have a lot to do and prove. Okay, but out of this entire lot, obviously Atom, Osmo, EVMOS, they're top. And then you have a couple others. Stars is also decent, but NFTs needs to come back for Stars to again rise. And NFTs, which I actually want to talk about in a separate video, a little bit of controversial thing I've seen. The trends that'll die. Some YouTubers talking about trends that'll die, metaverse and NFTs and stuff. Again, I said it's controversial, but I'm going to touch on that some other time. Okay. So what I would do right now is, instead of compounding, I would buy into some other tokens. Okay. If you have enough of whatever tokens you already have, don't just keep compounding because you see a bump in price. Book profits, take it out in fiat, pay off your debt, buy something, enjoy with family, or buy into some other tokens that has more potential. Diversify a little bit. I see this, people making this mistake a lot of times. Like, oh man, I'm going to keep compounding Osmo, EVMOS, like for years or for months until it goes to this level. It doesn't have to be like that. Okay, so if you're getting $10, $20, $30 from EVMOS staking every single day, assuming, let's say, you're getting every day $20, $30, and EVMOS is sitting at 50 cents or 40 cents, and you think, oh, you know what? It's going up. I think I'm going to sell at $1. Well, if you're staking, you could still sell at $1 later on, because you want to keep making money like every day if you're staking, right? But so that's what I'm saying. Just don't get emotional about this or get married to your bags. Diversify, okay? Take profits or diversify. You can compound later. And yes, if it bottoms out to a bad level, like really bad, which there's no point selling, that's when you could compound instead. Okay? You could compound, keep it liquid on the side. When you see pump, you can sell it for profit, or you could stake it in the ecosystem and use the rewards and sell them or whatever. Okay, I thought I'll just give this to you because that's what I've been doing. I've been playing this game. And matter of fact, since I said this, let me just show you this real quick. You see this? This is a tiny thing. JKL, just walking my talk. Walking my talk? Yeah, exactly. I'm walking my talk right now. So I used some of my EVMOS rewards and I dumped it onto JKL just for no reason. and I mentioned this because why not? Jackal has potential. I talked about it previously that in the next bull market it could just go up or whatever, and I have nothing much to lose, right? So I'm using my rewards and I'm dumping onto some other ecosystem just for the fun, whatever. And if it goes down a little bit, that's sad, whatever. But it's profit anyways, okay? So with this, what I could do right now, okay? I actually did this on the members, but I'm just giving it to you guys. Pretty much the same thing, all right? So what you could do with this is EMOS, Tori, whatever you're getting in rewards. You could either take the rewards, split it into USD, USDC, Osmo, Jackal, USDC, Atom, Osmo. I mean, these are the top three, right? I mean, beside the USDC as a stable. Or you could also put some in Stars, because Stars is decent when it comes to NFTs. Next bull, right? That's all. That's all I can tell you. All right. And now, if you want to play in other ecosystem, you could take, convert to Atom, send it over to KuCoin or Coinbase or whatever exchange of your choice, because they all have Atom listed. And you could cash out your Atom into USDT, USDC, whatever. And now you could actually buy into whatever tokens you want. You could dollar cost average into any tokens that you believe in. Or you could, what else could you do? You could, I don't know, if you want to play this game, because it's pretty risky. If you, I don't want to discuss this right now. There's a leverage game on KuCoin. There's also short-term flipping games. You can see all these crazy meme coins pumped 50, 60%. There's a way to study them, but there's nothing guaranteed. But again, there's multiple ways to play this game. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. And on top of that, what else do we have? Yeah, so stake it, bake it, take profits, and accumulate more, whatever you want. Okay. So that's out. That's a Cosmos ecosystem. I don't want to talk about any Ponzi or farming, MMF and super fun, whatever right now. Okay. I'm just going to talk about the good stuff here. So now let's talk about the list here. Okay. I don't know if I should give you a full screen. Let's give you a full screen quick. Okay. So here, these are some of the stuff I have on my list. Doesn't mean I'm going to get all of them, or it also doesn't mean I have all of them. I probably have 5 or 10% of this on the list. Okay. I mean, that's what I'm holding. But if you look at it, and I do plan on adding a lot more. They're on my watch list. If I see some potential, I'm going to ape in later on. Depends. Okay. And what do you mean by potential? I don't mean when the price just pumps. Nah, that doesn't mean it has potential. It's a long way to go. Okay. So what I mean by that is, for example, look at Solana. I wasn't expecting this from Solana. Okay, hold on. Forget about Bitcoin. Look at Solana here, right? $9, $23, $9 not too long ago. Second gen. $18, if it goes to $27, that's a 3x, pretty much $9 to $27, right? So Solana, again, why it's pumping? Because it dumped because of all the FTX shenanigan. And I don't know, I'm not paying much attention to it, but I know a lot of controversies on this. People were talking about Solana becoming a hardware instead of just, etc., etc. They could do much more being just a hardware instead of the blockchain and etc. So yeah, it has potential, probably in the next bull. I don't even know if we're in a bull market right now, or maybe it's a bull trap. That's exactly what people are saying, right? Are we in a bull market or a bull trap? If it's a bull market, it doesn't make sense. So, I mean, if it's a bull market, why not? Okay, all good. If it's not a bull market and if it dips, what's the best thing to do? Cash out right now. Take profit when it's green, right? Because if it's, if it goes up, you cash out now, you could have made more profits. Yeah, but that's called greed. You don't want to get there. So take small chunks along the way. Okay. So now, cutting to the chase, don't want to drag this video long enough. There are a lot of tokens here. I plan on adding a lot more. Okay. And if you have any, like I said, put them. Just because you hold the bag doesn't mean it's the best thing ever. Okay. But if you hold a bag and you think it has potential, just keeping your emotions out, literally, you're not going to shill because you hold the bag. Just tell us why it has potential. And yeah, we can look into it. It'll be fun. Yeah. I mean, we are here to make money, like I said. Not here to scam people or run Ponzi's and stuff. Okay. But it doesn't for example, but it doesn't matter if you play in a Ponzi field. Right now, actually, let's come to the end, because since what else can we talk about? Right? Since why did I mention this? If I was playing on MMF or whatever stuff, I know it's scam, it's Ponzi, but if it's insider control, that's a problem. But if it's a Ponzi like a casino, people go to casinos and they know what to expect. You go to a casino, you have a 50-50 chance win or lose, whatever. But so same thing in Ponzi's. If I know I have a chance 50-50, all good. But if somebody comes from nowhere and rug pulls or changes the code or whatever, contract and stuff, then that's a problem. That's like extreme Ponziness, shady, whatever fraud you want to call it. So there's a problem. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to throw this out there. My ADD is kicking in. I'm going to go get some more coffee and play some video games. And yeah, that's all I got for you.